Good morning, everyone. We're up bright and early once again. It's 6:52. Look at the other bungalows. We're being picked up at 7:30 or something like that. So we're up early to have breakfast. We are being picked up to go to the national park, which is like a jungle basically. And there's like a walking tour. And then we're gonna come back, have lunch, and then go on a jet ski tour. So packed day for today once again. And it's also my mom's birthday. So yeah. Oh my god, my jaw just dropped. Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
The public area is down there. Some animals already.
Mom, can we come back here, please?
Yeah, can we come back?
This is so cute. Oh, there's like 4 of them.
Those are tropical landscapes. They are not near the beach. They are usually in this area. And also I hear the hummingbird. Look, it's in front of us.
Oh.
In the sunlight. It looks like a female, so she doesn't have antlers. Contains bacteria, then they remove. Oh yeah, it'd be great, yeah.
We made it to the beach. I forget if I said this or not, but we're doing a walking tour in Manuel Antonio National Park. So we're near the beach now, whereas in La Fortuna we were like more in the jungle and with the volcanoes and stuff. So cool how it's like jungle right near the ocean and beach. Wow.
told me it's lower.
The far tree through the. Oh, now I see it. Okay, I thought it was in the. And it's on the far trees, the ones that are like light green.
It's like a termite nest. That one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's a monkey. So cute. It's so
You realize the beach is really gorgeous here.
Those monkeys. Look how pretty the beaches are. I can't.
These monkeys that we have here are one of the reasons why the national park is so high.
That was a howler monkey, and the ones that we saw before were white face.
This is the best we've seen, right? Yeah.
Yeah, here. Okay.
Fruit company brought bamboo to this area.
That's huge.
It used to be a public area 54 years ago. They didn't know about bamboo, and now
And then they're playing competitive food and how unfortunate. I have to.
but we have a good population because we don't. Double check. Type of sauce.
Tiene para mí lo 1000.
Chicken wrap.
We got back to the lunch place and changed, and then we're gonna eat quick and then go to the jet skis. We got to the place, to the beach for jet skiing right over there, and yeah.
I'm not Mexican.
Yeah. The water is so warm. We've just been swimming. We finished jet skiing. We made it back to the hotel after swimming in the ocean, and we just swam in the pool, and now we're gonna shower, ready for dinner. We are walking to dinner right now. There's actually monkeys that stay at our hotel apparently, because like it's all in the jungle, so we saw a few earlier outside our room. Those are the people from the
You get artichokes on it? Gracias.
Alright, I guess you're right.
Aw, they played the music too. Okay, back at the hotel. We're gonna read a little, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's our last full day. So sad. And we're gonna be zip lining, and then we have the whole afternoon. We'll probably do like parasailing or something at the beach. So excited, and I want to go back downtown too to the vendors. So yeah, thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a fun-filled